All right, folks. Thank my man David for sending this one out. A lot of people, act, actually, out of all the new Milwaukee tools, we'll call them MPS 2020 tools, that are being released next few weeks, next couple months. This has probably been the most messaged tool that I've been getting. All right, so this is the 3/8 right angle impact wrench. Okay. Also, there's a 1/2 inch available, 1/4 inch. All right, 199. It's available for pre-order and free shipping. All right. It's a pre-sale. As I heard, these were shipping in early June, which makes sense because that's again usually MPS 2020, usually around June, and they're usually available, within a week to 2 weeks right after the event. Sometimes, even earlier. Um, but again, you got your choice from the 3/8, 1/4 inch, and the 1/2 inch. Um, we're looking at 220 foot-pounds. All right, with the 3/8. Now, the 1/2 inch, I believe, has the same amount of torque. You're looking at 3,000 RPMs. You got your 5-year warranty, 2.83 pounds. It's 13.28 inches long and 2.32 inches wide. Again, this is the bare tool. I want to see if they have the 1/2 inch available. That's not what I wanted to see. Come on, do it. All right, 299. I don't know if I'd buy the kit, guys, with this. You're spending an extra $100 for two 2 amp hour batteries. Yeah, you probably have 100 of these chargers already. The bag, get a nice pack out box with some foam. You'll be good to go. All right, so yeah, the 1/2 inch is available as well. The 3/8, um, 1/2 inch, 1/2 inch detent, 3/8 hog ring, and then of course you have their detent pin as well. That's the old school. It looks like there is a right angle protective boot that's going to be also available. And this is how, these companies make their money. Why they wouldn't have this on the tool already, um, I don't know. But more money making, because I'm sure this probably costs them around 35 cents. I'll be nice, $1 to make. But hey, and it's not just Milwaukee, guys. So, they all do it. It's a way to really improve margins. But anyway, um, so they're all available for pre-order at Ohio Power Tool. I will put this whole page up, especially if you want to order the protective boot. All right. Doesn't look like they have the 1/4 inch. Or heck, maybe they don't even make the 1/4 inch. I can't remember. I thought they did. But yeah, 199. Not bad. I mean, obviously you can get the Milwaukee stubby impact wrench for, 169 bare tool. We've seen it as low as 159. But obviously you're not going to be able to get it into certain spots like this. But they do make, extensions. But I think it's going to be, again, probably the most popular new MPS 2020 12-volt tool from them. Um, yeah, I would probably guess it would be 199. You got to remember the installation driver 179, the die grinder 169. You know, really only 20 bucks more. But as for being a bare tool, this is probably one of the most expensive bare tools that Milwaukee kind of offers. As tools that are used a lot, that are high demand type tools. I'm not talking about some of these other tools, but like I said, I'll put the whole page up for those that are interested. We'll catch you. Flip.